Getting started with your Tennant robotic floor scrubber is an easy and straightforward process. Here are some best practices for setting your cleaning routes and optimizing cleaning efficiency for your robotic machine. When cleaning routes are properly set, your employees are free to focus on other important tasks and improve overall productivity and workflows. Before creating your cleaning routes, it's important to make a plan to determine how you want to divide up your workspace. It might be necessary to walk the floor of your facility and make notes of barriers or tight spaces. If you have tight spaces in your facility, drive the machine through the area first to determine fit and obstacle layout. Take note of any temporary obstacles, as these will need to be removed from the area when cleaning. It's best to start with one home marker and keep the routes short, ideally less than 45 minutes of runtime in autonomous mode. Powered by Brain OS Advanced AI, the continuous route feature allows you to connect multiple routes together. Remember, when teaching a route, be sure to drive slowly and precisely. Place a home marker on a flat wall, with no obstructions on the right side of the machine, 40 inches above the floor. The machine should be parked 3 feet away from the home marker to start the route. The home marker indicates the start and end of each route. Connect up to 6 routes with each home marker. We recommend using a map of your facility to clearly identify your routes and determine right or left turns based on your machine. For longer corridors, it's best to take wide turns and skip aisles when possible. By only cleaning half of a hallway and turning back into the middle, you can make your turns more consistent and even clean 3 to 4 aisles at the same time. You may need to overlap your cleaning paths in order to clean the entire space. For large open spaces, we recommend using wide turns and cutting the area in half of the route. Start the route on the outside and then turn into the middle of the area. In big areas, like gymnasiums, a safety cone in the center of the area can help the machine orient itself in the space from that point. If more than one solution tank dump and fill is required, plan the end of the route to be close to a custodial closet. Even after your robotic scrubber is deployed, our customer success team continues to monitor and guide you toward optimizing your autonomous cleaning and meet your business goals. Visit tennantco.com to learn more about our robotic cleaning machines.